Hello everyone. In this video, I want to talk about how we can install Stable Diffusion on our Mac and run its web user interface. Just type this URL on your browser and you will be directed to its page, GitHub page. And again, Stable Diffusion is an open source artificial intelligence software that helps you build images from scratch and beautiful images generated with its AI. So let's get started. Here, just download its zip file and let's just extract it very quick, and we can move this to trash. Now we have here the Stable Diffusion downloaded. So the next step is to run its web user interface, in other words .sh file. If you are using Windows, then you need to run webui.bat file. So we will stick with this one. Now let's open up a new terminal window, and we need to get to that directory, under this directory, on our terminal window. So let's do that, and Stable Diffusion. Now we are there. Let's see, as you can see here, we are under the same folder now. So now let's run our webui.sh file. So it started running. The next step is to copy and paste this URL here on our browser. So let's try something. Okay, a cat walking on a roof of a house. All right, so that's my prompt. And let's say chimney. All right, I don't want any chimney drone. And I can put more details here. For example, an animated cat, or anything else you would like to add, but let's keep it as it is. And as far as these parameters, so for example, the batch size, if I want to have 4 images generated, I can set it up to 4. So CFG scale, so this stands for classifier free guidance scale. So it basically tells you how much close you want to follow your prompt. The greater this is, the AI will more closely following this prompt. So let's do that. Let's increase it a little bit more than this. It was 7. Now let's make it around maybe 13. All right, almost double, because I want really the AI follow this prompt. And what else? Sampling steps, so we can increase this to have a better quality of images. Let's just start it here. Oh, by the way, yes, this is important. Now I'm having this error. All right, so let's fix this. Let's first go to our folder and come to here, webui user.sh file, and open it up. And here we need to provide some comments, like to its to its terminal while running this. Currently we are not passing any arguments, so now we will be passing some arguments to avoid this mistake. And I hope in the next versions they can fix all these issues instead of like people like us doing this manually. So precision full, no half, just type this. And yeah, I actually found out this after googling. People have been experiencing the same problem, so this is the quick solution for that. All right, so after doing this, let's run this again, and let's start running this. So let me show it from here too. You see here, now it will show how much it has been processed. So 10%, 5%. So it's running. All right. All right. So we have our images ready. So let's check out. They are pretty cool images. I really like this one. This is also very nice, cute pictures. All right, So I could have actually gotten better quality of images if I would have increased this to 40. I think this the one I forgot to set up for a higher amount of sample steps. But it's fine. These are also look really fine. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a better understanding of how you can install Stable Diffusion on your Mac and generate such beautiful images.